Okay gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Today I feel like having some spice, something sweet. So for today's menu, I'm gonna be making a spice applesauce spice cake. Here are my ingredients for today. I'm using spelt flour, baking soda, raisin, some vegetable shortening, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, clove, allspice, stevia sugar, trying to keep it as healthy as I can, with my applesauce, 2 eggs, and some walnuts. Guys, there's so many channels out there that you guys could have choose from, but you choose Fergie's Kitchen today, so I won't disappoint you. So keep tuned and I'll see you as soon as we get started. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So I'm ready to start adding my ingredients together, putting them all together. 2½ cup of flour. I'm gonna do 2 cups of sugar. 1½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, ½ teaspoon of clove, ½ teaspoon of allspice, my raisin, 1 cup of raisin, and I'm gonna add my 2 eggs. Quarter teaspoon of baking powder, ½ cup of shortening, ½ cup of walnut, ½ cup of water, and 1½ cup of applesauce. So 2 of these are 1 cup. So now guys, before I even start mixing, I just want you to know I set my oven at 350 to preheat, and I'm gonna grease my cans. After greasing my can, I'm using some flour. So now guys, I'm gonna start on a slow. I'm gonna start beating it on slow for like 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna do it on high for like 3 minutes. Very nicely mixed. So now I'm gonna put it. This is a 9-inch baking pan. So you can use an 8.5 to 9.5 inch baking can. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven to bake for 6 to 65 minutes. So like an hour, a little bit over an hour. I put it in the middle. My FK gang, before it's finished, grab your friends, grab your family, grab your neighbors, grab your enemies, and tell everyone to come on in and watch with you guys what's going on in Fergie's kitchen. See you when it's finished. Okay, my FK gang, thank you for hanging in there. It's been an hour. Our product is finished and ready to show. Here is my applesauce spice cake. I hope you enjoy it, and it's very healthy. And feeling for some sweet, having this, I can indulge without feeling guilty, right? I hope you enjoy it. So you know how I like to end my day with my scripture, because I start my day with it. And today's scripture is from Psalms 33, verse 22. Let your unfailing love surround us, Lord, for our hope is in you alone. I know he hears us, and I'm saying that also for you guys. From Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, I want you to know that I think of love when I think of you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.